Hey, it's Larry Martin. If you have faced flooding problems in the past with your house and you think you can't sell it, you absolutely can. And I would love to help you. Can come over again, take a look at your house, tell you the exact price that it would sell for, all your expenses, the timeline for selling, and even help you find your next house. With flooding problem, all we have to do is properly disclose that. I can tell you exactly how to do that. Give me a call, 616-532-7200. I would love to help you. Have a great day.